Mastering the simple present tense for TOEFL and IELTS. Hey learners! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most fundamental elements of English grammar, especially as tested on exams like the TOEFL and IELTS. We're talking about the simple present tense. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its structure but also how and when to use it effectively. The simple present tense is one of the primary tenses in English. It describes habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. Simply put, it's used for actions that happen regularly or facts that always remain true. For instance, she works at a bank. They live in Paris. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The formation is quite straightforward. For most verbs, use the base form for all subjects except for third-person singular, he, she, it, where you typically add an s or s. Examples: I play football, she plays football. However, there are some irregular verbs to be wary of, like to have and to be. He has a pen, she is a teacher. 1. Routine or habit. Actions done on a regular basis. 2. I drink coffee every morning. 3. She reads before going to bed. 4. General truths. Facts that are always true. 5. The sun sets in the west. 6. Fish live in water. 7. Permanent situations. Situations that don't change or change very slowly. 8. They reside in Canada. 9. He works as a teacher. 10. Feelings, thoughts, and senses. Express emotions, beliefs, or senses which are not temporary. 11. I believe in kindness. 12. She feels cold. 13. Timetables or schedules. Fixed arrangements in the near future, common in transport or official events. 14. The train leaves at 8 p.m. 15. The conference starts next Monday. The simple present tense might seem, well, simple. But mastering its use can tremendously improve the clarity and precision of your communication. Especially in exams like TOEFL and IELTS, where every point counts, nailing the basics can give you a substantial edge. We hope this video has clarified the simple present tense for you. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more insights on grammar and vocabulary for your test preparation.